in room 1122. Let's check it out. Oh. Welcome to the Cambria Hotel and Suites in Anaheim, California. We'll show you this amazing family suite that sleeps 7 in a moment, but you don't want to miss our giveaway. We're giving away a $100 gift card soon, and all you have to do to enter is subscribe and leave a comment on this video. I'll put the details at the end of the video, so stick around for that. We put out new videos almost every Teacup Tuesday. The more you comment on, the more chances you have to win. Okay, back to the room tour. Welcome to the family suite at Cambria. Start off with a nice breakfast nook area. Has this great table and chairs set up. It's only 2 chairs, but that's great for getting things ready for breakfast. If you have a computer that you want to sit down right beside the table, we have a nice kitchen area. It's not a full kitchen. There's no stove or dishwasher, but you do have a large size sink, large for the hotel anyway. Have a great microwave. This is larger than the other microwaves I've been used to, and a huge fridge and freezer. It's worth noting that you do not have silverware, plates, bowls, pots, pans, things like that. I wouldn't expect it in a room that doesn't include a stovetop, but just so you know. Farther into the room, we have the living room area. Nice size couch that opens up into a queen bed. Have a nice coffee table as well, extra chair, and a large television. Some beautiful artwork, extra light, and of course, lots of extra space for your luggage. Beyond the living room is going to be the bedroom area. This bedroom is fantastic, y'all. I love this. King size bed, end tables with plugs on both sides. I'm always surprised at how rare that is. Nice set of bunk beds so that your kids have a great place to sleep right here next to you. Each bunk bed has its own individual reading light. It turns on when you pull it out. It turns off automatically when you put it back in. You can adjust it up and down for whatever your reading level is. Have a decent sized closet, a little bit larger than some of the other hotels we've been to. Open it up, you will have a light that turns on automatically, which is kind of nice. In the side here, you do have an iron and an ironing board, some extra linens, pillows, blankets, things like that, 8 different hangers, and of course, the safe. Now, the view outside of this particular room is a park view. I can see the Golden Zephyr spinning off and around there in the background. I can see the Guardians Tower. Off to the right, I will be watching fireworks tonight from my hotel room. Along with the beds and the closet and the TV, you also have 3 hooks. Great for backpacks, your jackets, hats, whatever else it is that you might need. And a full-size mirror for getting ready in the day. Super handy to have in the actual bedroom itself. And right off of the bedroom is this amazing bathroom. This is wonderful. Nice bath shower combo, 2 shower heads. We always like seeing that. Individual controls, and a tub down in the bottom. Sink area itself is very large, big huge mirror. Hello, I did not get out of the video in time. Whoops. But a nice mirror. There's a light actually built into the mirror. Lots of counter space for everybody's toothpaste, toothbrush, makeup, whatever else it is that you might need. The room itself includes a specific makeup towel as well. I just want to point out that the mirror itself also has Bluetooth controls. So you can play your music and adjust the volume as you need to. But wait, there's more. Well, I mean, you'd hope there was more, of course. But there's more than you think. Outside of this extra closet door is not just the toilet, but a whole other shower. This extra shower is a game changer, y'all. If you are trying to get kids ready for bed or ready for the morning in the parks, having one person shower and everybody else waiting is an absolute disaster. Having 2 showers in the same hotel room, absolute game changer. This one is just a walk-in shower, no tub, no second shower bed. But y'all, it's enormous. It's very large. So after finishing the room tour, I was putting everything away and discovered something else you should know. Check this out. Remember the kids' bunk beds that we were so excited about in here? There's a 3rd one. What? It pulls out from underneath the bunk beds. There's a 3rd bed in here. That's undoubtedly what the extra set of linens in the closet is actually intended for. All right, y'all, it's my favorite part of the room tour. We are going to count the outlets, let you know what you're working with to make sure all your devices have power. Right off the kitchen, there's 2, but your coffee maker is actually going to take up one of the slots, so we'll say 1. Just below your table, there are 2 more regular outlets down there as well. Off the living room lamp, there's 1 extra one here, and another pair hiding behind the chair. Hey, that rhymed. And yes, we checked. There are none behind the couch. But there are several in the bedroom area, starting with this right here off the door. 2 more normal outlets. Beside each bed, you have 2 more outlets and 1 USB. And it's the same for both sides. I'm actually quite surprised there is not an outlet here underneath the television. Certainly not a game breaker or even a negative. I'm just kind of surprised. In the bathroom, you have 2 more here as well. Your hairdryer, electric toothbrush, razor, whatever it is that you need. We just want to be completely transparent. We got a couple extra goodies for our stay here specifically for the review. No one has ever told us what it is that we are supposed to say, what the expectation of saying, and there is no expectation of a positive review out of these. They just want us to see them and show you guys what it is that we see. But it is important to note that the review is going to be our own review. I wonder if these are any good. We want to make sure things are fair. Oh my gosh, that is really good. Amazing breakfast. Let me have that, Nikki. Uncharitable. Oh my gosh. You know what? Cambria Hotels is going to be the only place that I stay forever. You should too. It's the only place you should go. And pretzels. It's the only choice. Okay, all joking aside, we do want to thank Cambria for hosting us and for giving us a couple discounted nights so we can stay a little bit longer. This place is awesome, and review or no review, our family really will be back. We'll also show you the rest of the hotel, including the free breakfast, the entire water park they have down in the back, and everything else that you can do here at the Cambria, so subscribe so that you don't miss that one. If you want to see my initial review off of the cuff done at 1:30 in the morning, check out this video right here along with our other adventures. We love you guys. We'll see you next time we ride the Teacups. Later, y'all. Don't forget to enter our giveaway. Subscribe and leave a comment on this video to enter. When we reach 2,000 subscribers, we'll pick a random comment to win. You need to be at least 18 years old and live in the United States. The rules are linked in the description. Good luck!